मनीष पॉल। क्या बात है, थैंक यू सो मच लेडीज एंड सबके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं। क्या बात है, ओहो हो संजय जी। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम टू संसार डी डेकोर का इवेंट है। सच्ची हमने देखो इतने सारे खूबसूरत लोग एक साथ एक छत के नीचे। क्या नाम है आपका?
मनवीर बड़ाना।
सर मुझे ये बताएं, आप कैसे देख के बताते हैं कि ये जो इंसान आज आया है ये सिर्फ विंडो शॉपिंग करने आया है या ये सही में मोटा सामान खरीद के जाएगा आज यहाँ से?
एक्चुअली जब जैसे ही शोरूम में घुसता है ना
हाँ।
बंदा, उसको देखते ही पता चल जाता है कि उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट कैसी है, या अकेला आ रहा है, फैमिली के साथ आ रहा है, किस तरीके से वो आ रहा है।
क्या बात है। अच्छा ये इन्होंने बता दिया, पहले ही पता चल जाता है। यहाँ पीछे और किसी से मैं जरा पूछना चाहूँ, यहाँ पे ओए
सर आप हमारे स्टोर पे आए थे?
आपके स्टोर, ओए होए
ओए,
क्या बात है,
भूल
बहुत
गए?
अच्छे जी, बहुत अच्छे।
ठीक है।
मैंने इनसे डिस्काउंट मांगा था, इन्होंने दिया नहीं था।
लेकिन हमने देख के पहचान लिया था कि ये सारा सामान हमसे ही लेंगे।
नहीं
और
नहीं
इन्होंने
बिल्कुल
लिया भी।
बिल्कुल आपसे लिया, लेकिन बड़ा
So we
अच्छा
are
लग रहा है
happy.
आप लोगों को यहाँ पे देख के। बहुत बहुत खुशी है। हाँ, संसार को मजबूत और स्ट्रॉन्ग जो बनाता है वो है आप सब लोग। एक बार आप सबके लिए जोरदार तहे दिल से तालियां होनी चाहिए। ये भारत है, पूरा का पूरा भारत। वेल आज पूरा भारत यहां बैठा है जिनके लिए दूसरों के घर खूबसूरत बनाना एक मिशन है। सो लेट्स गेट द बॉल रोलिंग। और आज की हमारी थीम है कॉन्शियस कॉन्वर्सेशंस, ones where you pause, where you think before you speak, where you say what actually matters. Tonight is all about conscious conversations, whether it is about design, sustainability, legacy, the future, or even just about how we choose to live our lives. We are going to talk about things that matter with intention and with honesty. हम सब यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि पिछले 2 सालों में संसार ने क्या-क्या अचीव किया है and what संसार truly stands for. So, let's have a look.
Good evening. Welcome to the Sansar Times, a conscious look at the headlines that shaped Sansar. A 1.2 million square feet integrated facility supported by 4,000 plus people, scaled capability with control. Vertical integration runs end to end. European machinery across every stage, an in-house NABL accredited testing lab, robotic warehousing, and SAP-led visibility. The result? One-day delivery capability, 97% stock service levels, and speed without compromise. As demand accelerates, Sansar is quietly, powerfully scaling the backbone. A 3.85 megawatt solar installation is live, moving towards 60% renewable energy usage, alongside a shift to eco-friendly briquettes. 50% plus water reuse, 100% non-chemical treatment plant, 40% plus recycled packaging, a defined 50% emissions reduction goal over 4 years, and a 5-star MPCB rating, reinforcing responsible growth that's tracked, measured, and accountable. A long-held dream became reality. The first franchise store opened in Surat, marking the start of a scalable, partner-led growth chapter, not just expansion. As Sansar scales, speed and precision become non-negotiable, and AI becomes essential. Integration is set to strengthen customer support and supply chain operations. Faster resolution, smarter inventory and demand planning, better accuracy, stronger service quality. In just 2 years, Sansar crossed borders from India to the GCC, South Africa, and Southeast Asia, powered by trusted partners Brew Textiles, Fabric Library, Home Fabrics, and Acacia Fabrics, aligned in vision and belief. A special acknowledgement to Gary Neiman of Brew Textiles, whose trust opened geographies, making Sansar the first Indian home furnishings brand to take conscious living onto the global stage. Sansar strengthened its voice at home and stepped beyond borders. To our partners, our extended family, you helped write these headlines. This is Sansar, global in reach, Indian in its roots, conscious at heart, and only getting started.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Give a huge round of applause for Sansar, ladies and gentlemen. And what Sansar has done in 2 years is the vision, the commitment to sustainability, design, the craftsmanship, it is genuinely inspiring. एक बार संसार और संजना और सारा के लिए स्पेशली जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए everybody. Well, कहते हैं कि behind every great brand there are people. Well, real people with real stories, real challenges और बहुत सारे ये कैसे होगा moments यार. I know वो बहुत difficult होते हैं, but tonight हम directly उस incredible duo से बात करेंगे, उनसे सुनना चाहेंगे who literally are building Sansar from the ground up. They are young, they are dynamic, they are third generation entrepreneurs जो एक legacy को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं and yet they are creating something completely new. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage the women behind Sansar, the trailblazers, Sanjana and Sara Arora.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here tonight. I'd like to start by saying something that's always guided me. To those who much is given, much is expected. And that belief, that's what brought Sansar to life. 2 years ago, Sara and I stood up on the stage and introduced Sansar to all of you, to the world. It was a leap of faith, and every single one of you took that leap of faith with us. Tonight, I stand here with confidence. We didn't just survive these 3 years, we grew, we learned, and we truly built something meaningful together. Real success doesn't come from rushing forward without thinking. It comes from pausing, listening, and making intentional choices. We try making those intentional choices with all of you, our partners, our team, and ourselves. To my dealer partners, many of you have been with me from day one. You didn't see if it would work, you believed it would. You encouraged me. You worked alongside us to make sure this happened. It's not only Sansar's success, it's all of you as well. It's more about the people, it's more about the families. I want to take a moment to thank our global partners. It's a proud moment that Sansar is the first Indian company to go global with a brand of its own name, expanding to the GCC and beyond into markets like South Africa and Southeast Asia. We're hoping Sansar globally dominates as in India. That milestone belongs to all of us. You've helped us take Sansar beyond borders, and we're honored to have you a part of our journey. Being next gen, it's about working smarter, working with values, working with intention. We've learned that scale on its own is no longer a differentiator. What matters is the direction in which that scale is applied. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for being here with us today. You know, every time I step onto the stage, it feels familiar, but every year the vision feels clearer. For as long as I can remember, I've always felt a natural pull towards this industry. So stepping into it was never a question of if, but when. You know, where I sit today is the same space that once belonged to my grandfather. And every single day, that space reminds me that what we're building didn't start with us. It was built on years of discipline, of patience, of decisions without shortcuts. And in many ways, we're simply continuing that story. But continuing a legacy does not mean repeating it. It means having the courage to evolve it. And that mindset is exactly what we're building Sansar on. For us, this is not just about textiles. It's about you people. It's about trust. We look at sustainability not as a trend, but as a non-negotiable. We embrace technology and innovation while still honoring the craftsmanship that defines this industry. And at the core of it, we're really just constantly asking ourselves that what would your customers want 5 or 10 years from now in their spaces? And more importantly, how do we help you at Sansar to stay ahead of that? Because at the end of the day, this is a shared journey and we all want to win together. And with that in mind, as we continue to grow together, we are deeply committed to investing in this brand, not just in design and marketing, but in building a stronger, more responsive backbone for Sansar. From how we plan and produce to how we track, how we manage and deliver. And a key part of that commitment is what we've been building behind the scenes. I am very, very pleased to share that Sansar has invested in a new warehouse designed to double our capacity, improve our speed of execution, enhance our service levels. This new warehouse will be able to handle over 30 lakh meters of fabric. It's going to support a Sansar portfolio that after today scales to 8,000 live SKUs. So I'd love to show you a glimpse of our new warehouse. We also believe in building for a better future. That belief is what led us to Project Shiksha, an initiative focused on improving rural education by creating safer, better equipped learning environments. We're working to build better infrastructure, hygiene facilities, access to clean water, digital learning, and essential resources into rural schools. So far, Project Shiksha has covered about 2,000 students, and this is just the beginning. So I want to show you this journey, and I hope you appreciate it. I believe education does not begin with textbooks, it begins with conditions. Our vision with Project Shiksha is to strengthen rural schools at the grassroots levels so that children can attend consistently, participate confidently, and dream without any limitations.
Tonight, I want to leave you with this thought. People are our greatest strength. Everything we've built and everything we continue to build comes down to the people who believe in us and bring this vision to life every single day.
You are truly the heartbeat of Sansar. Your dedication, your passion, your relentless commitment to excellence make everything we do possible.
To our partners, suppliers, and collaborators, thank you for trusting our vision and growing alongside us. Your belief and support have been instrumental in shaping our journey. And to our dealer partners, thank you for standing with us. And we're so grateful that all of you are a part of this journey with us. Here's to the future we're building. Thank you. Have a beautiful evening ahead.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए दोनों के लिए. It's time to welcome our panelists on stage. First up, we have someone who truly needs no introduction, Sanjay Arora. Up next, we have the main character energy coming up, the man behind Brew Textiles, the king of fabrics, Mr. Gary Neiman. Next is the man who blends culture with modernity, founder and principal of Ashish Shah Architecture plus Design. Please welcome Ashish Shah. Finally, the editor-in-chief of Good Homes India and Home and Design Trend. Give it up for Ronita Italia. So the first question, in interiors, is sustainable fabric the future or still a niche choice for conscious consumers? What do you have to say on that?
With sustainability is good design. We might want sustainable products, but we want them in good design, and that's where brands like Sansar come to play, where they're conscious about the sustainability and the design quality.
Next question I have, with tech advancing rapidly, are we gaining more control or is it controlling our life?
We need it for more productivity, but there's no replacement for wisdom.
Technology is definitely taking control, but I think, as Gary said, it's all about balance, and it's about actually your mind taking control of the technology.
All right. Moving on to our next question, ladies and gentlemen. Well, does AI help us do things faster, or does it make us think less and weaken our creative skills? What are your thoughts on that? Ronita, why don't you start?
AI can write faster, perfect grammar and all of that. But agar aap emotions chaho, that is something that you will never get.
That's very true. Sir, do you agree?
AI really helps us in productivity, factory productions, the way they are running. It's going to change the way our factory is running today and after 10 years. It's changing the whole scene for sure. If you use it carefully and powerfully, it's a very powerful tool.
Move on to our next question here. Work-life balance, something we can actually achieve, or is it something that we keep chasing?
Well, I don't believe in work-life balance.
Okay.
I believe in work-family balance.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Ladies and gentlemen, for our panelists, for such a wonderful conversation. Thank you so much. Thank you. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for all of them. Thank you. That was a wonderful conversation.
Thank you, Manish.
But right now, we have something very special coming up. What you're about to witness isn't merely an arrival, it's a force that commands the room. Let's make some noise for the man of the moment, the ultimate showman, the one and only Ranveer Singh!
अस्सलामुअलैकुम लियारी घर की याद नहीं आई तुझे जस्सी Sansar stands for something different, something that has soul, that has substance, and I am genuinely proud of being the face of the brand.
There you have the man of the moment. क्या बात है यार, एक बार जोरदार तालियां। यार यहाँ पे आप आए हैं तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि एक पैनल डिस्कशन अगर तुम्हारे साथ हो जाए,
बिल्कुल
है ना, हो जाए। So ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big hand. May I please welcome on stage the family behind it all, the Auroras, Sanjay sir, Hina ma'am, Sanjana and Sara.
What is the one thing that you believe people remember more? Is it the product or the person behind it?
I think both people and the product. I don't believe that business can happen without relationships. Of course, we put in a lot of effort to the product as well. So I guess both for sure.
One experience that you were not prepared for.
It's definitely not taught me one thing. I think it's shaped me the past 3 years. I've completely changed as a person, how I approach things, how I deal with pressure. I think pressure is genuinely now a privilege. Also, how to take decisions when you don't know all the answers. I think that's something really important that I've learned over the past years. I think discipline will always take you way further than motivation. Thank you.
What teachings have you consciously passed on to your daughters to help them not just run a business, but also be leaders of this industry?
That I do strongly believe that work should be balanced a bit with any sort of playtime. Look at the larger picture always. Look at the goal and just keep moving on. So just look at the larger picture.
Sansar's new initiatives are coming up. Global expansion. What gives Sansar that competitive edge in the market?
हमारा एक ही मिशन था कि imported fabrics should not come to India. We have to make the best. We did it. I promise you we did it. Now India is going abroad. I mean, वो तो कर ही लिया. अब they कह रहे हैं कि आप अपने नाम से आओ. We need your name. We need your story. I mean, what a proud moment. You go to Dubai, you go to USA, Australia, Vietnam, and you'll see Sansar, the international collections. For global manufacturing, you need scale. Skill, we are really investing, but we are keeping lives very simple. We want the people to feel that the mill is just next door. We can get anything there. Trust is what we believe on. Baki to, like we always say, God has written the path. We are all walking on it, and hum pahunch jayenge.